area. I'm not sure what the deal is with that brake check, truck brake check place there to the right. That is mandatory though. Trucks on this Alabama 35, north and south. As far as I know, I've never been in Fort Payne, Alabama before. DeSoto State Park. I have been in DeSoto State Park. Let's pull over and let some people by. I don't even know which way we need to go. I guess if we knew where we were going, we'd know we could figure out which way to go, huh? But like normal, we don't know where we're going. We're just going. Well, we're coming up a steep truck grade. We came up that hill back coming to Little River. I guess we'll be going down it now. Sharp curve, 1.5 miles. Roadside park next to a creek where there wasn't anybody there. Get down to the creek and maybe see the July flies. Pretty good. Guess we'll have to get down here somewhere and ask our assistant. We got to figure out where we're going to head and ask our assistant for directions. North Alabama 35. Sound like that tree's full of July flies. I know nothing about Fort Payne, Alabama, so I can't tell you anything about Fort Payne, Alabama. Pretty neat building. I guess we'll go up here and swing through town. Let y'all see town. What kind of place is that? Guess we could go left and then turn around and come back through. That looks like that would take us through the whole town. Looks like this may be the downtown area, so we may have taken the right turn. DeKalb Theater. That's right, we're in DeKalb County, Alabama. We're going to turn it off and turn it back on as we come back through because the sun's in our eyes this way and it shouldn't be in our eyes the other way. I don't know which way that train's going. I'd like to have an Alabama train from start to stop. I just don't know where it started and where it stopped. We're going to go up here and turn right, and it is bumper to bumper all the way through town. And we're going to turn right, but from the left, like about a half a mile is bumper to bumper, and then all the way through town. So we will probably be stopping and starting the camera rather than letting it just sit in traffic. And look up through yonder if you can see it through there, all that traffic coming down through there. Like about a half a mile, sure enough. This GoPro Black 10's acting up again. Food truck over there to the right. I hear the July flies up there to the left. Well, traffic's bumper to bumper, but it's moving a lot better than I thought it would. They may have these lights timed where you can get through pretty good. Fort Payne City Hall right there on the left. I haven't seen any road signs telling us what road this is, but I think instead of staying on 35, unless 35 makes a right turn here, we'll just keep going straight. It should be taking us towards northeast, back towards Georgia, I think. Camera battery is showing caution or yellow. I don't know how long it'll last. I think they've got these lights timed better than most places do. There's a little thing, tribute to that band, Alabama. Now this is where we came in and turned left, so we're going to go straight. 35 may go to the right. I mean, may go straight here. I don't know. I see it going right. That's where we came in. But I don't know where it goes from here. Fort Payne Opera House, 1889. Some barbecue there. North and US 11. I know where I am. I've been on US 11 a lot. Up in Tennessee, North Georgia. Vehicles for sale everywhere we go. There is a huge number of vehicles for sale. Not that many vans, but there are a lot of cars and trucks. Roaming free. Somebody needs to get that dog, take care of it. I hear them. I don't know how far west we are in Alabama, so I don't know how far north we've got to go before we cross over into Georgia. So I'm not sure what road. Okay, this is Interstate 59, Alabama 50 or Interstate 59. Okay, we need to figure out what we're going to do. those trucks. Blue, red, black, white. Who's going to buy all of these trucks? There's a huge inventory out here. My guess is the cheapest truck on that lot was $45,000 to $50,000, two-wheel drive with very little on it. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. This will be a wrap. This is going to be a long video unless we make two out of it. We need to change the battery anyway, depending on, and then decide what we're going to do.